Common monomial factors. The objectives are find the GCF of a given monomials and factor polynomials using the GCF. So let us recall your lesson in elementary on how to get the GCF of a number. So first lay down the given 2, 4, and 6. Then write their factors. The factors of 2 are 1 and 2. The factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Then identify which of these common are greatest. So in this case, the common factors are 1 and 2, but the greatest is 2. Therefore, the GCF is 2. Now, that is the same in literal coefficient. Same process, write down the given, axy squared, xyz squared, and xy. Then write and lay down their prime factorization for axy squared, it's ax, yy, because we have y squared here. So in xyz squared, we have xyzz. In xy, we have xy. Then, next is identify where are the common. In this case, it's x and the y. So therefore, our GCF is xy. What if the given has a numerical coefficient at the same time of a literal coefficient? So we will just do the same. Same process, lay down all the given and write their factors. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Prime factorizations of y squared are y times y. For 3, it's 1 and 3. For yz squared, it's yzz. For 6, it's 1, 2, 3, 6. And for y, just copy it. Now, let's start with the numbers. So the greatest common factor for the numbers is 3 in this case. So we can write down 3. Then the common for the variable is only y. Therefore, the GCF is 3y. Now, this is where the GCF will come into play in factoring polynomials. So the first step is finding the GCF. So in this given 9y and negative 3, the GCF is 3. Now this 3, which is the GCF, is also one of the factors or one of the answers. So this GCF here is this one. The next, to get this 3y minus 1, just simply divide this 3 to each of them. Okay, let's start. 9y divided by 3, you will get 3y. Negative 3 divided by 3, you will get negative 1. So these are the factors of this given. So if you want to check if this is really correct, just simply distribute this 3 to both of them. Just multiply them. So 3 times 3y, you will get 9y. 3 times negative 1, and you will get negative 3. Therefore, this factor is really correct. Same process in number 2. So we have 3 terms here. So the GCF of those 3 terms is 5. Then this 5 will be one of the factors, this one. Then divide this factor GCF to each of them. 5x divided by 5 is x. Negative 15y divided by 5 is negative 3y. Positive 10 divided by 5 is positive 2. Okay, so these are the factors. 5 times quantity, x minus 3y plus 2. To check if it is really correct, just multiply this 5, distribute it to each of them, and you will arrive here. So in given number 3, the GCF is 6xy. So remember, the GCF is one of the factors. Then divide this to both of them. So 6x squared y divided by 6xy, you will get x. 12xy divided by 6xy, you will get positive 2. These are the factors of this given. So for checking, just multiply them and you will obtain this. Lastly, so we have another 3 terms here. So the GCF is still 4. Okay, so 4 is one of the factors here. Now, divide this GCF to each of them. 12xy divided by 4 is 3xy. 4xy divided by 4 is xy. Negative 8z divided by 4 is negative 2z. Therefore, the factors of this given is 4 times quantity 3xy plus xy minus 2z. To check if it is really correct, multiply them and you will go back here.